Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Many thanks and congratulations for coming to Sonia Craft Gallery. Today I am here with another new video. I hope you will like the video very much. Color paper should be cut into 8 cm size. Now the paper should be faired like this. The paper should be cut like this. I have already made some more flowers. At this point, the paper should be cut into the shape of a flower. This time I attach the flower with glue. A beautiful flower is made. Now make a stick. This time I attach the flower with glue. So friends, see, a beautiful flower is made. Leaves should be prepared. So thank you very much for watching the video till the end. Like, share and comment to get new video, and subscribe to the channel and hit bell icon.